Britain is broken, the theme of this march in London, bringing together people from across the country. Many protesters said they were worried public services could be eroded further under Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. One of the areas under severe pressure is the mental health sector within the National Health Service, the NHS.
There is a crisis at pandemic levels to do with mental health in this country, and this economic crisis is going to make it so much worse because people can't pay for the health support that they need, so they rely on the NHS, and the NHS can't help them even though they want to because they don't have the money either.
I work for a mental health charity, and I am seeing people at risk of death or dying because of this government directly as a result. I see it every day.
The protesters are motivated by a range of issues and concerns, but something that unites them is worries about further cuts to public spending. In other words, austerity.
On Saturday, a planned strike on the railways was cancelled after an offer of unconditional talks from employers. But unions plan further industrial action in this and other sectors, pushing for pay rises in line with inflation to combat the cost of living crisis. Al Jazeera spoke to Afsana Begum, a politician whose London constituency has one of Britain's highest rates of child poverty, with an increasing number of families using food banks.
We have experienced the brutal impact of austerity for the last 12 years, and our services were cut to the bone at a local level, and we're incredibly worried about how people are going to survive and live just even above the line, on the line, going forward.
Another common theme was a demand for a general election.
We're going to save our welfare state, and we're going to kick these Tories out of Parliament.
There have been 2 changes in leadership since Boris Johnson quit as Prime Minister earlier this year, and the Conservatives are considering scrapping some manifesto pledges that saw them win back in 2019. Whatever happens in the coming months, public anger is unlikely to die down. Nadeem Barber, Al Jazeera, London.